Let us deploy an ASP.NET Core app built on Docker container to Azure. It involves 3 steps. Step 1. Build the Docker image of app in local PC. Step 2. Push this image from local PC to your repository in Docker Hub. Step 3. Instruct Azure to create a web app from this image hosted on Docker Hub. Let us create a repository in my Docker Hub account. My Docker Hub username is YogYogi and I am creating the repository by the name of apps. Giving dear repository a description. Make sure that it is public. Then click the create button. The repository is created and you will get the push command, which will push any image from your local PC to this repository from command prompt. Make sure that you are logged into your Docker Hub from your Docker desktop. So right click the Docker desktop and click the sign in button and log into it. Here's another way to log into Docker Hub by the Docker login command. Open the command prompt and enter Docker login and press enter. Next, enter your username and press enter. Then you will see password. Here enter your password and press enter. Note that password will not show when you are typing, so don't think that your keyboard is broken. Here I mistakenly entered the wrong password, so I have to enter the password once again. This time I entered a correct password and I am logged in successfully. You can see that it is showing login succeeded message. Next, right click the Docker desktop and you will see that I am logged in automatically to it. Now I am going to build the Docker image for my ASP.NET Core app. First, navigate to the folder of my app where I have placed the Docker file. I used cd command to do the navigation to this directory. Type the dir command, which will show the Docker file. So this means that you are in the correct directory. Now build the image. The command to build this image is docker build -t yogyogi/apps:1. The build format is in the way username of your Docker Hub / name of the repository : tag. So my username is YogYogi and my Docker Hub repository is apps, so it has become YogYogi/apps. Then I tag this image as first. I hope you understood it. The error comes because I did not provide the path for the Docker file, which is given by dot. The dot at the end tells Docker that the Docker file is at the same directory at which you are currently in. So this time I add dot at the end and the image builds successfully. Now open Docker desktop and you will find this newly built image there. see image and its tag. Perfect. Next, I am going to push the image from my local PC to this repository of Docker Hub. Copy the push command and paste it on the command prompt. Change the tag name to first and press enter, and image will be pushed to this repository. It will normally takes about 5 minutes time to push this image, so wait until it finishes. Okay, image is pushed successfully. Now open the repository in the Docker Hub and you can see that this image is present there. Now coming to the last part where I will work on Azure. So open Azure account of yours and click the app services. In the app services window, click create app services button. You will reach create web app page, and in this page select resource group. Since I do not have a resource group, so I am creating it just now. Name the app some name which is available. I named it first app Yogi. For the publish field, select Docker container. This is the most important thing here. Then click the review plus create button. Now select Docker settings in your page. For the option field, select single container as our app is a single container based. For the image source, select Docker Hub as the image is in Docker Hub repository. For the access type, select public since our image is public and not private. If you create private field, then you have to enter your Docker Hub username and password here also. For the image and tag field, enter yogi/apps:first. Then click monitoring button. If you want to enable application insights, then you can do it from here. I prefer not to do so. Click the next button. You don't have to do anything for the tags. Then click the next review plus click button. In this page it will show your Docker settings which you have provided. Finally click the create button and Azure will start the deployment of your app. You will be seeing deployment is in progress. It will nearly take a minute or two until your app is made live. So first wait for a few minutes time. Congrats, the app is now live. Open its URL field on the browser and navigate it. Works perfectly. So this completes the tutorial. Thank you.